What are text labels? Text labels are containers or variables used to hold data that can be passed between your nodes. Data can come from user input, or it could be manipulated or generated. We'll build a random name generator in this example. Capture a user input and store it in a text label. Name it name. To reference the label, use 3 curly brackets enclosing the name of the label. To make it more interesting, let's ask the AI to generate a cool name based on the user's input. Display the output from the AI by storing it in another text label. Join the future of education today. Ready to transform your educational approach? Visit www.learningflow.ai and sign up to access these groundbreaking tools.